Hi friends, today we are making a quick Brazilian Bauru de Forno, a warm oven-baked lunch inspired by the classic ham, cheese, tomato, and oregano sandwich. It is melty, sliceable, and perfect when you want something satisfying without a long cook. This recipe makes 4 servings and takes about 40 minutes from start to finish. Let us walk through the ingredients. 1 tablespoon unsalted butter gives the baking dish a light coating so the sandwich bake releases cleanly. 12 slices soft white sandwich bread make the quick, tender layers that replace a traditional pie crust. 1/2 cup tomato sauce adds moisture and a familiar Brazilian snack bar flavor to the bread layers. 8 ounces sliced deli ham bring the savory filling that makes this bake taste like a classic Brazilian Bauru sandwich. 8 ounces sliced mozzarella cheese melt into creamy layers and help hold every slice together. 2 medium tomatoes, thinly sliced, add freshness and a juicy top layer that is essential to the Bauru style. 1 teaspoon dried oregano gives the bake its classic pizzeria aroma and balances the cheese. 2 large eggs turn the milk into a light custard that helps the bread bake up sliceable instead of dry. 1 cup whole milk softens the bread and keeps the center creamy while the top turns golden. 1/4 teaspoon salt seasons the custard gently, since the ham and cheeses already bring plenty of savoriness. 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese forms a salty, golden crust over the top. Begin the preparation by heating the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, then rub 1 tablespoon unsalted butter all over the inside of an 8-inch square baking dish. Now that the dish is ready, lay 6 slices of soft white sandwich bread across the bottom, trimming or overlapping just enough to cover the base evenly. Spread 1/4 cup tomato sauce over the bread, going close to the edges so every bite has a little tomato flavor. Add 4 ounces sliced deli ham in an even layer, folding the slices where needed so the whole surface is covered. Lay 4 ounces sliced mozzarella cheese over the ham, keeping the pieces slightly overlapped for a creamy melted middle. Cover the cheese with half of the sliced tomatoes, then sprinkle on 1/2 teaspoon dried oregano for that classic Brazilian snack bar aroma. Build the second layer with the remaining 6 slices of bread, pressing lightly so the stack stays level. Spread the remaining 1/4 cup tomato sauce over this top bread layer, again taking it all the way across the surface. Add the remaining 4 ounces sliced deli ham, then the remaining 4 ounces sliced mozzarella cheese, keeping the layers even so the bake slices neatly. Top with the remaining sliced tomatoes and sprinkle over the remaining 1/2 teaspoon dried oregano. Now make the custard by whisking 2 large eggs, 1 cup whole milk, and 1/4 teaspoon salt in a bowl until the mixture is smooth and fully combined. Pour the custard evenly over the whole bake, then press the top gently with a spoon so the bread absorbs the liquid without squashing the layers. Sprinkle 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese over the top, then let the dish stand for 5 minutes so the bread can soak while the oven is fully hot. Bake uncovered at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 22 to 25 minutes, until the top is golden, the cheese is bubbling, and the center is hot and set. To close the cooking, let the Bauru de Forno rest for 5 minutes, then cut it into 4 warm squares and lift each piece from the dish while the cheese is still melty. And that is our quick Brazilian Bauru de Forno, golden on top, creamy in the middle, and packed with ham, mozzarella, tomato, and oregano. It delivers exactly what we promised, a warm oven lunch that feels comforting but comes together fast. Serve it with a simple green salad or enjoy it just as it is. If you liked this recipe, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more easy lunch ideas.